Hey, how's it going? Vladimir Donis here. So hey, today I'm coming to you with day 9 of my 30-day video challenge. And today, the thing that I want to talk about is I want to talk about audience selection. Now, yesterday what I talked about is I talked about, using an audience that you already have. So what that means is that in some cases, you may already have email address or you may already have phone numbers, and you can use those phone numbers to upload that data into Facebook, and Facebook will allow you to go ahead and create people that look just like those individuals. They call those lookalike audiences. But for some of you, you may not have any data. You may be starting off fresh and brand new, and you don't have any previous customers that you can go ahead and upload to Facebook, thereby creating a lookalike audience for you. So if you don't have that, so then what is it that you do to go ahead and create an audience? Because in order for your Facebook ads to work, you need an audience, right? So how do you go and create an audience? Well, there's a couple of different things that you can do when it comes to audience. Basically, what it means when I say audience, it just simply means that the group of individual that's going to see your content, that's going to see your ad. And there's a couple of different ways to choose an audience. Who do I want to see my ad? Who do I want to see my content? You can choose an audience based on public figure. What is a public figure? A public figure is someone like Tony Robbins. Someone like Tony Robbins, this individual has millions and millions of followers. You can say, hey, the people who already follow Tony Robbins are likely to purchase from me or likely to take the next step with me. Show my content or show my ad to people who follow Tony Robbins. So that's one thing that you can do as it relates to choosing an audience. So you can choose an audience based on public figure. The other way that you can choose an audience based on a keyword. So a keyword for me is marketing. So people who follow the keyword marketing, I can say, you know what? People who have indicated an interest in marketing, show my content or show my ad to those type of individuals. So that's me showing it to an audience of people who have indicated that they like the word marketing. So that's the second type of audience that you can go ahead and show your ad to. The third type is a brand. Coca-Cola, for example, is a brand. I can say, you know what? The people who follow Coca-Cola are likely to take the next step with me. And because of that, Facebook, I want you to show my ad to people who have indicated that they like Coca-Cola. So as you can see, these are the 3 different types of audiences you want to go ahead and choose when creating Facebook ads, because chances are you don't already have an audience. And because you don't already have an audience, because you don't already have data, you need to go ahead and put your ad in front of those type of audiences so that way those individuals can go ahead and take the next step with you. By the way, if you need help with this type of stuff, later this week I'm hosting a free web class, and the title of the web class is we're going to go through how to grow your business using Facebook ads. The idea is that you'll come to the web class with questions and you'll leave with answers as it relates to how to grow your business using Facebook ads. There's going to be a link somewhere on this page. You can go ahead and click on that link, and that link is going to allow you to join the web class. That's it for this episode. I'll catch you on the next one.